Tapon na. Tapon mo na. Tapon mo dun sa trash can. Throw it into the trash can. Oh, dun tapon na, B. Tapon mo. Tapon. Oh, tapon na. Tapon na. Tapon, tapon. Uy, very good! Yay! Clap, clap! Very good naman. Oh, bike. Bike ikaw? Oh, bike ikaw? Bike? Hi, bike. Okay. Oh, this is me. Excuse me. Uy, wow naman. Oh, bike na. Yes. Uy, vroom na.
This is how the automatic garage works.
That's the automatic garage. Oh, you have to be. You drank some tea. I know, an tea a while ago.
Mommy.
To follow Jesus. Uy, dan. Uy!
Mommy.
I'll take you to Pau Pau. Dance na dance. You gonna follow?
Mommy, go.
What? Maybe she's in your room. Gonna follow? I'm gonna follow. Oi! You have to. No, you have to be in the right position, not like that, or else the CL will smell pee.
It's the one that I talked to you last in a long
In a long time.
no last time.
Last time that I've been here, you showed me the piano app that you have in your cell phone. Oh, the one that can create chords. Oh, that's what I remember.
How about the next class?
I don't know.
Anyways, that is the one I teach.
So what kind of game is that again? Can you
It's the
explain it to me?
it's the one where I am drifting in the cone place and in the and inside the gate.
Inside the game. That's the way, dance. Yes, right. Oh! What is it?